Hi everyone. July marks the beginning of our fiscal and ministry year. As the session has prayed and considered the upcoming ministry year, we have a major goal of seeing our church increase its influence and its impact in Melbourne and Palm Bay. We want to see our church grow numerically and in every other important category. To that end, there's a couple of things that we're going to be doing this summer, projects and initiatives that we're kicking off that we want to inform you about. First, we will begin soon to clear the land to our south so that we can expand our Roar Sports ministry. We've seen many new families begin worshiping with us because of the influence of Roar, and we believe the upside to this ministry has yet to even begin to be seen. Secondly, and probably most shockingly to some of you, is that we intend within the next couple of months, Lord willing, to open up a Covenant Beachside campus church. It's not a church plant, it's a campus of our existing church. We think that field is wide into the harvest. We've been praying and thinking about this for 4 years. We sent out an exploratory committee. As we surveyed the area, we discovered a real need for an evangelical, outreach-oriented, biblically sound Reformed church. Our existing families who come from that area know dozens and dozens of families who either need Christ or who are looking for a biblically sound church. Many times these families will come and visit with us and they love our church, but they hate the drive. The drive is a prohibitive factor in them joining our church. So we believe we need to go and drive to them. We project an initial core group in this church of somewhere between 75 and 100 people who can then reach out to the many families in that area. This means that we will be suspending indefinitely our current Saturday night service here in Palm Bay. The service in the campus, Beachside campus, will be a Saturday night service that will begin at 6 o'clock. We do not yet know the date for when we will suspend the services here at Covenant Palm Bay and begin at Covenant Beachside. As soon as we know when that date will be, we will announce it. However, we are projecting somewhere within the July to August time frame. The single greatest factor that would stop us from beginning next week in this effort is a location. We're looking at various places. We have a couple of great candidates, but we need your prayers that God would lead us to exactly the perfect location for this effort. Please pray for us and pray for the staff as we make this effort. We believe God is going to bless it greatly, and we'll see our church increase its influence in Brevard County.